How to enable cookies on your Google Chrome browser in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable cookies easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the top here, click on those three dots, and now scroll down and click here on settings. And after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is just click on privacy and security option right here, and then scroll down again, click on site settings and scroll down again until you find this cookies option. Click on it, and now as you can see, click on allow from here and it's gonna be enabled easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later in the next video.